Hello, it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the headdress for Utau from Shugo Chara, based off her GraffArt CAFE design. For Utau's headdress, I cut two kind of oval-ish pieces for the base out of the same fabric that I used for the dress, and on one of them I sewed a length of black satin ribbon. To make the ruffles on the headdress, I cut two rectangles out of gray fabric, folded them in half, and sewed them together at the sides. Then I turned it right side out and sewed a line of loose stitches for gathering along the top. Gather the ruffles and sew them to the top and bottom long sides of the piece of the headdress that has the ribbon on it. Then I took some neon green thread and just used some loose hand stitches to hold the ruffles in place so they won't get caught later on. The reason why I'm using such a vibrant thread is so I can see it, since I'm going to be taking these stitches out later. Sew the back of the headdress onto the top piece, sandwiching the ruffles in between, and sew all along the edges, leaving a space open so it can be turned right side out. Turn the headdress right side out, and as I went, I removed the tacking stitches keeping the ruffles in place, so now they can be laid flat, and I went ahead and top stitched all along the edge. This serves to keep everything in place and also closes the hole in the back from earlier. I used thin satin ribbon to tie two bows and sewed them onto either side of the headdress. I also added some beads along the satin ribbon that we sewed on earlier to give it a little bit more detail. Then lastly, I hand sewed it onto a base headband. And with that, Utau's headdress is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching!